Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to be talking about, does Cash App has a buyer protection policy? You see, Cash App is a financial app used to send money to friends and family. So, Cash App doesn't have buyer protection policy, and in case, if you sent money to someone or you've made a payment already, chances are you won't be able to get your money back in case you got scammed or didn't get a product or service. All other instances, such as sending money to people you don't know well, making payments to unverified businesses, paying strangers for products or services, as well as making a mistake and sending money to the wrong person will leave you unprotected in case of a dispute. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.